Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert a green landscape into a snow landscape in Photoshop. So, let's see how can we do that. First step. Go to Select and Color Range. Select Sampled Colors. And then, pick Color Sampler from here. And select Invert. Now, take samples of sky from the photo until the sky appears black in this preview box. Adjust the fuzziness slider to some extent so the ground appears white in the preview. Click OK. Now, make sure the background color is white in the color swatch. If not, press D, which will bring back the default black and white colors. Create a new layer, and then press Ctrl Backspace on your keyboard. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Now, just toggle the visibility of the new layer for a while. We will edit this layer later. Let's create a channel mixer adjustment layer. Change the preset to black and white infrared, RGB. Change the blend mode to lighten or screen. I choose lighten. Next, let's create a curves adjustment layer. Adjust the red curve. Reduce the red on shadows. Then, adjust the blue curve to create a cool blue color cast. Then, adjust the RGB curve, increase it a little bit. Then, create a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. And adjust the brightness and contrast as you wish. Now, go to Layer 1. Toggle the visibility. And then double-click on right-hand side of the new layer, which opens up the Layer Style dialog box. Under Blending Options, you can see Underlying Layer here. We are going to divide the slider on left. Press and hold Alt key on your keyboard, then drag the slider to right. Adjust the sliders to bring back some details. Change the blend if to green. Press and hold Alt key on your keyboard. Then drag the slider to right. Adjust the sliders to bring back some details as well. Now we are going to create snowfall. Create a new layer and draw a rectangular box in the middle. Go to Edit and Fill. Select black and click OK. Then go to Filter, add noise, set the amount to 100%. Select Gaussian and monochromatic and click OK. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian blur. Set radius to 3 pixels and click OK. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. Adjust threshold level so it looks like tiny snowflakes. I set it to 106 and click OK. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard to deselect. Change the blend mode to screen. Now, press Ctrl T on your keyboard to resize. Resize it big enough to look like snow. Now, duplicate the layer 2, press Ctrl J. Go to Filter, Blur, and this time, Motion Blur. Adjust the angle and distance, as it looks like falling snow. Click OK. If you want to increase the size of snowflake, you can resize it again like we did before. Press Ctrl T and hold down Shift key and resize. You can change the direction of snowfall as well by rotating the corners. So, this is how we can change green landscape to snow landscape. Hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Click like if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Thank you.